Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Santos video update for Sunday. So right now I'm on the chart itself and don't get excited anytime soon right now with the coin because yeah, I know previously that I talked about a bull flag and some people are taking the trades or not, but this is not a financial advice. So some people thought that I might have bought here because 2 days ago I actually uploaded when the prices were $19. So the question is, did I buy the coin? No. And what's the reason? The reason was this left shoulder, head here, and the right shoulder. So basically, I never actually bought Santos, but was I gonna buy it? Yes, I was gonna buy it. But on the signals, I told the signal member that this one is failing the retest because on a 15 minutes time frame, if I go in here and there was a pattern that I was looking after that if it get successfully retested that I'm going to actually buy, and that's going to be this pattern right here. So you can see that previously you did make that very clear bull flag right there, and then you broke out of it, right? When you broke out of it, there was another pennant that was actually failing. So this was the pennant that I was looking for, that pennant right there and this pennant right here. So when you came down, you can see you lost it and you drop even way more further down. And that's where I got alerted that this is not a good idea. And by the end of the day, you ended up making a bear flag. And now this bear flag is actually looking to drop Santos all the way down to this price level. So at the current moment, you are breaking the neckline, but if you do actually end up coming below the neckline, you're looking for 46% drop to the downside. So I'm going to actually extend that line like this, just like that. Right now, it's currently invalidated. It's really invalidated. But then again, this is a smaller time frame. You may still need a confirmation on a higher time frame. So confirmation on a higher time frame means that you want to come down to that line, to that neckline actually, and back test the neckline. If you bounce off the neckline and try to break above $14 or $15 here again after bouncing off that level, then there's a good chance that this head and shoulder pattern is invalidated and the technical target to come down here is not going to be in play. But if you fail to bounce off that line and close below this line, then that's it. I do see this one now coming down to this level here, which is going to be $7.67. And that's pretty much it for today's update on Santos. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.